Hello friend, now we have one more example. Here example is 7,03,195 divided by 8,283. Now 31. Okay, now already I wrote a question number, and now suppose I will write our divisor like that. 82 I will write here and 31 I will write here. Then you can understand each and every time dividing by 82 would be more harder for me. So what should I do? Here I want to take 8 as a temporary divisor and 2, 3, 1 I want to arrange as flag digits. So here a new concept is going on. In the previous example there were 2 flag digits, and now in this example we are taking 3 flag digits. That is to understand. Okay, so here I am just writing it. Now 8 I want to write for dividing, and 3, 2, 3 and 1. Those 3 flag digits I am choosing. Okay, here one more thing you have to understand. Here are 3 flag digits. So from question number, 3 digits you are keeping after cross line, and below that you are putting your decimal point, and now you are going to start to solve your example. Method is so simple, don't worry. Okay, so here now 8 is there, 7 is smaller than 8, so you can say 8 zeros are, that 7 you are adding here, and here with it suppose 8 9s are 72 are bigger, so 8 8s are you can take, 8 8s are 64 we are taking. After taking 64 and subtracting from it, remaining with the 6 that we are taking here. And now what to do? Here is 63, that keep in mind. So simple. So now here there are 3 flag digits. So I should have 3 digits in the answer digits, and then I should crossly find 3 products and should subtract all those 3 product from it. So actually how it will happen, that I am showing firstly and then I am doing separately. Suppose it is 2, 3, 1 and here is 0, 0, 8. Then firstly 2 8s are 16, 1 zeros are 0 will come, you know it, and 3 zeros are 0 will come, you know it. So both operation not to do, just to understand. All 3 products addition is 16, that you can understand easily here. Okay, so here are 3 digits. So 3 products cross multiplication were requiring, but as they both are 0, 0, so here only 3 to the 8, that is only enough. Furtherly 0, 3 the 0, 1 are not necessary to do. 8 to the 16 you are going to subtract from it. Okay, after subtracting you are getting 7 and 4 47. 7 and 4 47 you are getting, and now you are thinking if here is 8 6 is bigger, so 8 5 is suitable for you. 8 5 40 you can subtract from it, so 7 is remaining, that we are adding here, and now here are 7 1 71. So now those 3 digits are there for those 3 digits. So now 5 2s are 10, 8 middle digits, and this is middle digit, 8 3s are 24 and 0 itself, so don't think for it. So 34 is togetherly, that I should subtract from it. If I am subtracting 34 from it, I am getting 7 3 37 I am getting. Okay, so now again 8 4s I can do, 8 4s are 32, 5 is remaining, that I am taking here. So nextly here I have got 59, and so now I have those all 3 digits. So now what to do? 4 2s are 8, now middle digits 5 3s are 15, and then 8 1s are 8, all those 3. So 8 and 8 16 and 15 31 I should subtract from it. So I am getting 2 8 28. Now 8 3s are 24 is suitable, 8 3s are 24. If I am subtracting 24 from it, I am getting 4, that I am writing here. Now those 3 digits I am taking for multiplication with flag digits. So 3 2s are 6, middle 4 3s are 12 and 5 1s are 5. Now 6 and 5, 11 and 12 that. So 23 we have to subtract from it. So we are getting here 2 to 22. Now see here in the answer there are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are totally 4 digits are there. Here flag digits are 3. So here you may confuse. So what to do? From the right side here are 3 digits. So take 3 digits from the right side, means now 8 we are not taking. That is to keep in mind. Okay, so 22 is there, and now those 3 digits we are taking with those 3 digits for crossly multiplication. So here see 3 2s are 6 is there, then again 4 3s are 12 is there, that we have taken. Now 20, I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry, 22 is there. So 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 we have done, take 8 2s are 16 we can take. After subtracting 16 we are getting 6 that we are adding with this 0. Now to solve furtherly, actually till 3 digit we have found, but let it be one more we can solve. So now see here those last 3 digits we are taking, we are not taking 8 and 5, only last 3 digits, recent digits we are taking. So now here 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 4 1s are 4. So 4 8 and 4 and 4, 8 and 9 17 I should subtract from it. So I am getting 43, and if there are 43 I can take 5s, because 8 5s are 40 I can subtract easily. So I want to stop here because those much that answer I have got 85.4325, that is enough. Okay, so now turn is there to find the remainder of this example. Here will be little change in the finding remainder, but see, easy, don't worry. So this answer you just keep in mind, this is okay. Now remainder finding, so for remainder finding, see here from this side we have taken 7 and 1 9 5, those 3 digits are there. So finally we are taking 7 1 9 5 to find the remainder. Firstly we taken. Now what to do here? Something to subtract. So first term, what to subtract? Some first term would be there of product of 3 digit, addition of the product of 3 digit, addition of the 3 products, that we should multiply with 1000. Secondly would be there addition of the 2 products, that we should multiply with 10. And thirdly only last digit into last digit, that would be multiplied by 1. Okay, so now here with flag digit we choose answers correct digits, digits from answer from the left side, means after before the decimal point whatever is there, from the complete number we choose. So here 5 8 and 0, those 3 number we are choosing because here are 3 digits. And now here crossly whatever is there that we are writing here. 5 2s are 10 plus 8 3s are 24 plus 0 1s are 0 itself will come, so is just only 0. So 10 and 24 togetherly it is 34 that I am writing here. Okay, now nextly those last 2 digit and those last 2 digit. So 5 3s are 15 and 8 1s are 8. 15 and 8, 23 is there, that directly I am writing 23 only for our understanding. And now last digit from here and last digit from here, 5 1s are 5. Okay, so multiplying by 100 means adding 2 0 in that. Multiplying by 10 means adding 1 0 in that, and multiplying by 1 means that only same number. Those 3 we have to subtract from it, else then we can do firstly addition of it, addition of it, and then we can just only subtract to wholly. So 5 3 6 and 3, this number we are going to subtract from here, then use our subtracting method also. So 3 6 3 5 is there. We are subtracting from right side. That 7 minus 3, 4 I want to do, but just I suppose that 1 is smaller than it. So apart from 4, I am taking 3 here, less 1 by 1. So here now 11 minus 6. Directly I want to take 5 because 9 is bigger than 3. So I am taking 5. 9 minus 3, 6 also I want to take because this is also possible. So 6 and 0. This is my remainder of this example. And quotient is 85. You know it. So I am not writing it back again. So here you are also finding, now you are just understood how to find remainder of the example if there are 3 flag digits. In the previous example, there were 2 flag digits. Now, only a change is what? 3 flag digits are there. So, firstly, we found sum of the 3 products of 3 digits, and that multiplied by 100. Then we found sum of two products, and that we multiplied by 10. And then finally, last digit into last digit, we multiplied by 1. And so, after subtracting, we have got 3560 is a remainder of this example. Okay, we can rub this. And lastly, one more example we are taking.